Welcome TMDDTM viewers to another episode of Things My Dad Didn't Teach Me. Today I'm going to share with you a wainscoting project that we actually did, we being my wife and I, for a friend of ours to beautify their home. This may not be something my dad taught me, but this is something that my uncle taught me, my uncle R.L. Fleming, who's passed away now. But who knew that what he was pouring into me then would come back 20 plus years later and still be something that is invaluable in my life. In high school, I had the opportunity to build houses with my uncle. And so I'm just going to share with you some of the skills and talents that he embedded in me. God bless. Notice the beautiful floors, the great paint, the nice baseboards. The house was already very beautiful, but it just needed a little more enhancement, a little more pop, add a little more of a statement to the home. As you can see here, at this particular point, the walls are not at a 90-degree angle. So I had to measure that and then apply basic geometry and trigonometry in order to determine what my cut should be for that angle. So I thank my math teachers for teaching me those particular skills. You know, it's really interesting to me that society, American society specifically, has kind of gotten to the point where turn their nose up at blue-collar workers, people that have developed a skill set to use their hands and their body to actually do work. And, you know, these are the same people that create some of the most beautiful things that you're going to see around the world. But it's just interesting that we no longer see the value and the craftsmanship and the beauty of those particular gifts. Although I have a chemical engineering degree and I have an MBA in international business, I find great enjoyment by using my hands on certain projects and activities. So just to help reinforce the concept that we should really try to master using all the tools and gifts that God has given us. This here is a pretty intricate cut. Notice that the angle of the wall is at about 22 degrees. Then we have to actually cut the baseboard trim to actually fit and tuck within that corner. But it's important to do that because the beauty is in the details of that particular cut. At this point, you've probably noticed a few cracks and nail holes. This is where my wife's talents come in. She does the caulking and the painting to clear that all up and make it look beautiful. She has the ability and the steadiness within her hands to do something I don't have the patience to do, nor the skill set to do. Caulking and painting is not an easy job. So we attacked this particular house in 3 different phases. There were 2 hallways and a set of stairs. We'll walk you through some pictures of the other phases. So this next picture is this exact same hallway. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you found it to be inspirational. I'll be teaching my son how to do a lot of this work as he gets older, teaching him to work with the tools, take his measurements, apply the mathematics and everything associated with working these types of projects to make them look beautiful. You can see how a home can go from beautiful to breathtaking with just a few things. Sweat equity, some math, some tools, and some time. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, share the video with other people, inspire one another, and God bless.